friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be learning how to make an origami leprechaun with a little slot to put a lucky penny in. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new crafty fun videos every single week. Would love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the lucky penny leprechauns, you're going to need a square sheet of paper, some markers to decorate, and a lucky penny. First, take your sheet of paper, flip it around so that the color side is facing down, and then fold the entire thing in half to create a triangle. Unfold, and then align this right side to the horizontal center line that you just created. So we're going to fold it like this. Make sure you have that sharp tip on the right side. Crease it in. Rotate and repeat the same thing at the other side. So we're going to fold it diagonally along that horizontal line that we created earlier. Create that nice point on the left side and crease it in. Now let's take this tip over here and we're going to align it to this tip. So just fold straight up and crease it in. Flip the entire thing around. And now we're going to bring the top flap only, and we're going to bring it down just about over here. So this is going to be the leprechaun's face, so you can do a little bit more to make a really big face, or just a little bit like that to make a smaller face. Crease that in. And now we want to round off his chin over here because we don't want his chin to be so sharp. So I am going to lift this back up, fold a little bit like that, and then fold that back down. So now his chin is not so sharp. Then you want to make the rim of his hat. So we're going to take this, bring it down just a little bit. And that makes the rim of his hat. Now we're going to take this point and fold it back. And this is going to make the top of his hat. Then flip the entire thing around. And then we're going to take this triangle over here and fold it along this diagonal line. So we're going to go like that, crease it in. Do the same thing on the left side. So we're going to fold along this diagonal and then crease it in. Flip the entire thing around. And I'm going to grab my penny and I'm going to slip it underneath his face right over there. And this way I'll know how far to fold in his arms. So I'm going to take this right side and I'm going to fold it up at a, at an angle right here. And then do the same thing on the left side. Just like that. I'm going to remove the penny, flip the entire thing around, and then there are two flaps over here that I'm going to fold outward. So I'm going to fold this out just as far as it will allow me to go. Do the same thing on the left side. And this is going to make the stand of the leprechaun so that he can stand on his own like this. And now I'm going to decorate the leprechaun. Once you have your leprechaun all decorated, you're going to stick the lucky penny underneath his face again. Close up his little arms. And you are done. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around until the very end of the video. I always appreciate that. If you would like to have more crafty fun, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!